quick R2 update on the electronics. I've got the board mounted and I've put together the initial prototype remote. This is the board that'll be mounted in R2-D2. It's going to run off of two 6L 5000 batteries in parallel. Right now I've got one hooked up. We've got three power buses, 5-volt bus, a 12-volt bus, and a 24-volt bus. The Arduino that's going to handle all the animatronics, including the dome, the radio transceiver, the single board computer that's talking to everything and running the main application, the dome motor controller, USB port powered off the 5-volt bus to power everything, so we're not drawing any power off of that single board computer, and the 12-volt buck converter and the 5-volt buck converter. Everything's protected on fuses. I just ran the initial program on this and it's working, but I've got some problems clearing the serial buffer. Nothing major, just didn't encounter it before. I'm sending a lot more data now because I added a stick to the remote to move the dome. Okay, this is all going to get mounted tomorrow into R2. The one thing that's left in R2 is the servo controller mounted right there in the front with all the wires hanging off of it. The one remaining thing I have to add to this board, and I think I've got just enough room for it, is the sound system. That'll be an Arduino, DF Mini, MPEG player, and a small amplifier. This is the remote. I went ahead and designed this in Fusion 360 myself, which I am by no means an expert in Fusion 360, and I was pretty happy with the way it came out. I've got a 7-inch touchscreen and a voltage monitor, single switch to turn it on. You can see the blue cable hanging out here is the serial communication for the Arduino that handles the transmitter. I'm still debugging stuff, so I wanted to be able to upload code to this, so I left that all exposed. I'll probably pin that cable up and put some kind of an addition on here with screws once I've got everything finished and working reasonably well. That's running off of a 3-cell 11-volt LiPo battery. I've got it charging right now, so I can't fire it up, but it's working reasonably well. I've got the GUI, the UI working in Python, and that Python program is actually sending information through serial to the Arduino, and then it's transmitted. The Arduino sends it to the transmitter. Hopefully tomorrow excuse me. With any luck tomorrow, I'll get this mounted in R2. And then Tuesday I'll start working on the sound system. That's it for now. I'll do another video when I actually have things moving. I've got that serial buffer issue to sort out before that happens. Later.